You have never seen your credit score on a job offer, but it follows you everywhere. It decides whether you get the apartment, the loan, or the card, and at what price. Every 50 points you climb, your life costs less money, and that gap eventually adds up to hundreds of thousands of dollars. Imagine your score is 430. At this level, you are constantly fighting a losing battle against the financial system. When you look at a standard credit card or a basic store card, the response is an immediate denial. Landlords look at your credit and suddenly claim the apartment is no longer available. If you do find a place, they demand the first month, last month, and a massive security deposit up front. Need a vehicle? You are forced into a buy here, pay here lot, walking away with a standard used car financed at a staggering 24.9% interest rate. Over 5 years, you will end up paying more in pure interest than the vehicle is actually worth. Even your auto insurance premium automatically spikes at renewal because of your low score. At this stage, the system charges you a premium just to exist. But then, things slowly begin to shift. You pay off a collection account, maintain 7 months of on-time payments, and hit a 540 score. The reward feels minuscule, a secured card with a tiny $200 limit backed by your own cash, but it means something is moving. By the time you reach 600, your secured card finally upgrades to an unsecured account, and your deposit is refunded. This is the first time the system actually gives something back. You technically qualify for a government-backed home loan now, but a high interest rate means you would still pay hundreds of thousands in interest alone over 30 years. Pushing further to 640 brings down the walls. A simple credit limit increase drops your debt utilization, bumping your score higher. Your monthly mortgage quote drops significantly, and you secure your first real rewards card, earning cash back on standard daily purchases. At a 680 score, after 2 solid years of clean payment history, you are finally perceived as a regular consumer. You qualify for conventional loans and begin optimizing your rotating rewards categories. However, you are still paying a premium for not being in the top tier. You are approved but not preferred. Crossing the barrier into a 718 score changes the dynamic completely. Pre-approved mailers with massive travel sign-up bonuses land in your mailbox. Your insurance premiums automatically drop, and your mortgage interest rate plummets, saving you tens of thousands over the life of the loan. All doors open without negotiation, co-signers or double deposits. Time plus consistency has removed the financial penalty of your past. At 760, lenders actively compete for your business. You unlock premium travel cards where luxury lounge access becomes standard. Finally, crossing into the 800s means the system has run out of ways to penalize you. Landlords waive deposits completely, and banks proactively call to offer you lower rates. Your credit score tracks just one thing: how reliably you manage debt. Start managing it intentionally today, because that number ultimately decides whether your money works for you or against you.